Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public EV charger. First, use an app like ZapMap or your car's navigation to find an available charging station nearby. Make sure the station has the right connector for your electric vehicle, typically Type 2 or CCS. Always check the charging speed and the price per kilowatt-hour before you begin. This helps you manage your time and budget effectively. Once you've arrived, park your electric vehicle so the charging port is easily reachable. If the station has a tethered cable, use that. Otherwise, connect your own Type 2 cable to both the charger and your car. To start the charge, you'll typically use a network smartphone app, an RFID card, or simply tap your contactless debit or credit card. Follow the on-screen instructions. Keep an eye on your charging session through the charger's screen or the dedicated app on your phone. When your battery has enough charge, or you've reached your desired level, end the session. This is usually done through the app, by tapping your RFID card again, or by pressing a stop button on the charger. Always disconnect the cable from the charging unit first, then from your vehicle, to avoid issues. For a smooth experience, always carry your own Type 2 charging cable, as many public chargers in the UK are untethered. Planning ahead for longer trips by checking charging point availability on your route can save you time and reduce range anxiety. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Happy charging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.